smelled the peyote swap before you pull out. I was like, man, it's too clean not to have. Look at it. It fits perfectly, dude. It's crazy.
But he's got more room than I do.
Man.
That's pretty crazy. The long tubes.
Yeah, it's got
Long tubes on it. Steering shaft. There's plenty of clearance. It makes it look easy. I had a really nice chat with this guy. Super nice guy. Really clean build. 2017 Gen 2 F-150 motor. Crown Vic front suspension. Crown Vic axle swap in the rear with 4-link. And the Crown Vic Watts link and coilovers. Super nice build and nice guy. His screen name's down at the bottom if you want to check out his Instagram. And hope to see this truck out at future shows. And it happened right at the end of the show, but they gave out these cool tumblers for the top 10 trucks. So congratulations, Fitty, on another award. And I appreciate the guys for recognizing me, or congratulating me, or thanking me, or however you want to word that. But appreciate those guys for giving me some love back. So, well, we're back at the house. That was honestly a really great show. Appreciate the guys at Ford Truck and Coffee for putting the show together, getting a lot of people out. Enjoyed the nice weather. Got probably a little bit too much sun, but you know, it's all right. It was well worth it. Had a good opportunity to network with some more people, and yeah, I appreciate y'all checking out another video of mine, and we'll wrap this thing up, and I will catch you on the next one.